Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to the channel. As many of you know, I have been a long-time Shen fan. I have supported Shen Yu and Dylan Wang individually and as a pair ever since Meteor Garden. Now we all know there was a misunderstanding and it's been clear to fans that their friendship is currently on pause. But despite that issue, I am still a proud Shen fan who is happy to support both of them individually, while holding on to a little hope that they might reconcile as friends in the future. Because I love their chemistry so much, both on and off screen. I have decided to continue writing and sharing fan fiction stories about them. Before we dive in, a quick note. If you are not a Shen fan, or if their chemistry is not your thing, feel free to skip this video. I respect everyone's opinions and I just ask that you respect mine too. With that said, let's get into today's story. Again, everyone, this is a Shen POV. Our story begins with Shen. She has just wrapped up filming for her latest drama, Be With Me, alongside Sang Wan Yi. It was an incredibly emotional wrap day for her. She truly loves her job, and she feels so grateful to have finished another masterpiece project, where she got to challenge herself and portray a completely new side of her acting. Exhausted but happy, she finally gets back home, ready to unwind. But as she walks through the door, she notices a massive, beautiful bouquet of flowers waiting for her. She looks at the card, and it is signed with just two initials, DW. Yu is instantly confused. In her heart, there is only one person those initials could belong to: Dylan Wang. Suddenly, a wave of completely conflicting emotions hits her. She feels confused. Why would he send a gift after everything that happened between them online? Is this his way of trying to apologize? Then the sadness creeps in. Looking at those initials brings back the hurt of how nastily things ended, and how abruptly their beautiful friendship fell apart. But at the same time, a tiny part of her feels a spark of happiness, because whoever sent them knew exactly what they were doing. These are her absolute favorite flowers. She sits there for a long time, staring at the bouquet, torn. Should I reach out and say thank you? She debates it over and over in her head. But finally, her pride and her hurt take over. She realizes she should not have to be the one to break the silence. Why should she send the first message? Trying to shake off the heavy mood, she decides to just proceed with her nighttime routine. trying to watch the day away, I get ready for a good night's sleep. She is just about to turn off the lights when suddenly her phone lights up. It's a text from an unknown number. She opens it and her heart drops. The message reads, "I am sorry for everything. I hope you like the flowers." Yu stares at the screen, her mind racing. Now, she faces the ultimate dilemma. Should she reply? And that is where we are leaving part 1. What do you guys think she should do? Should she text him back or leave him on read? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for the next chapter. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye!